Okay students, in question number 6, I have to find out the supplementary angle of these angles. Okay. Students, supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. If one angle is given, other angle will be 180 degree minus that particular angle. So answer will be, see, supplement of 109 will be 180 degree minus 109. So it will be 71 degree. Answer will be 71 degree students. Similarly, supplementary angle of 121 degree, it will be 180 minus 121. 180 minus 121. So answer will be 59 degree students. Answer will be 59 degree. Now, supplementary angle of 143, it will be 180 degree minus 143. So answer will be 37 degree students. Answer will be 37 degree. Similarly, supplementary angle of 92, it will be 88 degree. It will be 88 degree. Okay. And supplementary angle of 180 degree will be 180 degree minus that particular angle, and that angle is 180. So 180 minus 180 is 0 degree. So these are the required answer of our question number 6. Okay. Now students, in next question, that is question number 7, I have to find out the value of A in these particular 4 parts. Students, if you just see, this angle is 90 degree, and we know that if this complete angle is 90 degree, so sum of these two will be 90. So 60 degree plus angle A. 60 degree plus angle A is 90 degree. See, 60 degree is an addition. When it goes here, it will be subtraction. So 90 degree minus 60 degree. So A will be 30 degree students. So angle A will be 30 degree. Okay. Now students, in our part number B, see, this is a straight line. This is a straight line, and this line, just cut this line, and they are forming the linear pairs. And we know that sum of two angles in linear pair is 180 degree. So A plus 63 degree, it will be 180 degree. So A will be 180 degree minus 63 degree. Okay. And that is equals to students 117 degree. Okay students. So 117 degree is our required answer. Now students, in our next part, see, this is a straight line. So this complete angle will be of 180 degree because of linear pair. So sum of these will be, see, A plus this A plus this 90 degree will be 180 degree. Okay. A plus A, 2A. 90 is positive. When it goes here, it will be in subtraction. So 180 minus 90 will be 90. Okay. Now 2 is in multiplication. When it goes down to the right hand side, it will be in division. So 90 divided by 2, so A will be 45 degree. A will be 45 degree. Okay students, now moving forward to question number 8 students. Students, in this question, name the pair of vertically opposite angle. We have to name the angle which are forming the vertically opposite angle. See, what are vertically opposite angles students? If I take two rays like this, the intersecting angle, see, this angle and this angle, these are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, this angle and this angles are forming the vertically opposite angle. And students, always understand this thing, vertically opposite angles are always equal. If I take this angle as 1 and this angle as 2, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 due to vertically opposite angle, and this has 3 and 4, then angle 3 will be equal to angle 4 due to vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now students, in this figure, I have to name which pair of angles are forming the vertically opposite angle. See, if I take this line and this line, these are vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 and angle 3, first pair. Second pair will be 2 and 4, angle 2 and angle 4. Similarly students, if I take this line and this line, these two are forming the pair of vertically opposite angle. So angle 5 and angle 7. Similarly students, angle 6 and angle 8. Angle 6 and angle 8. So students, these are the pair of vertically opposite angles. Okay students. Now students, in this question number 9th, students, angle 1 is given to us, that is 50 degree, and I have to find out remaining second, third and fourth angle. Okay. Now students, if I just see AD and BC, these are two lines intersecting at this point. So I can say that, see, if this and this are two lines intersecting at point this, angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite. Similarly, angle 1 and angle 2 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because of vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 is 50 degree, therefore angle 2 is also 50 degree. Okay. Now students, see, this AD is a straight line. AD is straight line. So students, see, this is a straight line. So sum of these two will be 180 degree because of linear pair. So angle 2 plus angle 3 will be 180 degree because of linear pair. Angle 2 is 50 degree. Angle 3 as it is. So angle 3 will be 180 minus 50 degree, that will be 130 degree. So answer is 130 degree. Okay. A second angle is, angle 2 is 50 degree, angle 3 is 130 degree. Now students, see 3 and 4. If we see 3 and 4 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Reason is vertically opposite angle. So angle 4 will be, angle 3 is 180, 130. So angle 4 will be 130 degree. Okay students. So this is our question number 9 students. Now students, we will discuss our question number 10. So question number 10, first part. See, I have to find out the value of x in these two parts. So first part, see, both these angles are vertically opposite angles. If you just see them, these are both vertically opposite angles. So they will be equal. So students, 2x plus 30 degree is equals to 3x minus 20 degree, and the reason is vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now students, see, minus 20 is negative, when it goes here it will be positive. So 30 plus 20, it will be 50 degree. Similarly, 3x as it is, 2x is positive, when it goes here it will be negative. So 3x minus 2x, it will be x. So answer will be x is equals to 50 degree. So 50 degree is our required answer. Now the second part, students, see, this is a straight line. This is a straight line, students. So I can say that sum of these two will be 180 degree because of linear pair. Solution, students. Sum of these two will be 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay. So see, 2x plus 3x is 5x. Minus 20 minus 10 minus 30. Minus 30, when it goes here it will be positive. So 180 plus 30 degree. Okay. Now if I just add them, students, it will be 210. So 5x will be 210. Therefore x will be, see, 5 is in multiplication and goes here it will be in division. So 5 2s are 20, remainder is 1. So 5 2s are 10. So x will be 42 degree. Okay. So this is our question number 10, students. Now students, our question number 11, if I discuss. See, first part is find the magnitude of angle. That means I have to find out the value of that particular angle, which is 2/3 of its supplement. 2/3 of its supplement. Let the angle be x. Let angle be x. So according to question, students, 2/3 of its, see, I have to find the angle and I name it as x. So x is equals to 2/3 x, which is, that means x is equals to 2/3 of its supplement. of its supplementary angle. Supplementary angles means sum of whose will be 180 degree. If one angle is x, other will be 180 minus x, because supplementary angle are those whose sum is 180 degree. If one angle is x, another will be 180 minus x, and it is given that then that particular angle x is 2/3 of its supplement. 2/3 of which its supplement will be 180 minus x. Okay, students. See, 3 is in division when it goes here. See, 3 is in division, or I can say in denominator. When it goes here, it will be numerator, so it will be 3x. Okay. 2, if I just multiply, it will be multiply both the numbers, so it will be 360 degree minus 2x. Okay. Now see, 2 is in subtraction. When it goes here, it will be in addition. 2x plus 3x will be 5x. So 5x is equals to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equals to 360 divided by 5. So 5 7s are 35. Remainder is 1. 5 2s are 10. So answer is 72 degree. Answer is 72 degree. Okay. Now students, second part. The magnitude of angle. The angle we let be x. So x is equals to 1/4 of which its complementary. Complementary angles means sum of those two will be 90. One is x, other will be 90 minus x. Okay, 90 degree minus x. Now similarly, 4 is in denominator. When it goes here, it will be numerator. So it will be 4x is equals to 90 minus x as it is. Because if I just multiply these numbers by 1, the number will be same. X subtraction, when it goes here, it will be in addition. So 4x plus x will be 5x. So 5x is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, x is equals to 5 ones are 5. Remainder is 4. 5 8s are 40. So answer is 18 degree. Answer is 18 degree. Okay, students. Now moving forward to the last question, students. Question number 12, students. An angle is equals to its complement. An angle is equals to its complement. Let angle be x. Let angle be x. So according to question, this particular angle x is equals to its complement. Complement of any angle means 90 degree minus that particular angle. So this angle is equals to 90 degree minus that particular angle means x. So this angle is equals to complement of that particular angle. Now x is in subtraction. When it goes here, it will be in addition. So minus x, here will be plus x. X plus x will be 2x. So 2x is equals to 90 degree. 2x is equals to 90 degree. 2 is in multiplication. When it goes down, it will be in division. So x will be 90 degree divided by 2. That will be 45 degree. So 45 degree is our required answer. Okay, students. So these are the 12 questions of our assignment first. Okay. So students, just practice these questions and our assignment first is completed now. So just see the video clearly, practice these questions and examples also. I'm going to see you in your next class. Till then, just be safe, students. Be at home. Thank you.